Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Continental English. After a long time, once again we are back. We have discussed a lot on the topic of speaking English. In fact, whenever we want to speak, first of all, we have to overcome our fear. Today we have some further features or characteristics that are required for speaking English. First of all, you have to know the IPA symbols. IPA symbols help you a lot in your pronunciation. You may consult a dictionary, and particularly Oxford Dictionary or Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary. In that dictionary, against each word there are some symbols that are usually incomprehensible to a non-native speaker or the one who doesn't know the IPA. So it helps you a lot in speaking English. Then the most important one is speaking. As the word itself declares that speaking helps you a lot in speaking English. Start speaking right now. So I start speaking from the very instant you come across this video. And speaking help you obviously rhythm, fluency and accuracy as well. But first fluency, the most important one is the fluency. And when you gain a lot of fluency, obviously it doesn't come instantly or overnight. You have to work hard on it. Listening helps you to learn to speak. And listening TV shows and some great native speakers, as I already have suggested in my previous videos, it will help you to speak like a native speaker. But what is most important for speaking like a native speaker? There is the colloquial language. In the colloquial language, you need to know the difference between formal English and informal English, and obviously slangs and the expressions that the locals use. And obviously those expressions are different in sentences structure, in vocabulary, in spelling, and in everything. It means you have to follow the culture of a native speaker. So immerse yourself in the culture of the native speaker so that you may learn in a good way that how to speak English. And how to immerse that in that culture is to know their expressions, what they do use. For example, in formal English, one says good morning, and in informal language they will say morning, and they say oh my god, and sometimes they say oh my gosh, and that's the difference. So one advice over here is to do not switch from CNN to BBC or BBC to CNN. You have to follow, first of all, if you are a beginner or an intermediate learner, to learn to speak in a particular accent. And that accent obviously helps you learn in a particular way. Then you master that accent, then you can switch to another accent, and obviously that would help you to learn that accent as well. Then after learning almost two accents, so American and British are the most important or most used in the world, you can switch to any accent you want. For example, the simple structure, the simple spelling and simple pronunciation, that is American English, usually American English. For example, they say we suggest him going there, and British say we suggest that he should go there. And obviously you can see the difference between two sentences, and obviously there is a difference in the spelling as well, spelling of color and center program, and so on. The most complex sentence structure, vocabulary is British, and the most simplified is American. And then comes the accents. Obviously, they follow the more simple accents. They say ball, and the Americans say ball, and British say ball. So after learning these differences, you would be able to speak anything like them, and write whatever you like to write. And then you shouldn't be worried about what to write, whether try writing what you haven't heard about. So it would help you a lot in learning English, rather speaking English in a good way.